Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Meet Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the guideline on your Canva designed for your purpose of designing the logos or whatever you just designed on your Canva on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the grid line in Canva? Just going to show in this video. For an example, just added a design show. So I just need a grid line to place it on the correctly on the line. So we just need a grid line like that. We just need a grid line for designing the logos and also handling the designs to the perfect position. So we just need a grid line. So the grid line, you just need to click on the file option on the top. Then you have this option called setting. Click on the setting option, and here you can find an option called add grids. Just click this. You can just add a 12 or 3 or 3 into 3 like this, or click on the custom option. Here you can just choose the columns and rows and the gap and also the margin, or add grids. So the grids will be added here. Now you can just adjust the position of the lines where you just need to keep your logo on the position like this or like this. You can just easily add a grid and you can just make it on this. This is how you just turn on or enable the grid line on your Canva on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.